Good day, sir, and good day, everyone. We are at Group 5 of the SMT 115, and we will discuss the topic explore the effect of cargo loading, unloading on a ship, metrocentric height or GM, emphasizing scenarios where GM is virtually reduced due to shifting weights. In the introduction, the loading and unloading of cargoes represent critical operation in maritime transport, influencing various aspects of the ship performance, including stability. Among the parameters determining a vessel's stability, the metrocentric height, or the GM, holds particular significance, reflecting the relationship between a ship's center of gravity, or G, and its metacenter, or M, as a cargo is loaded onto or unloaded from the ships. The distribution of weight on board undergoes significant changes, leading to alterations in G and subsequently affecting the GM or the metrocentric height. This research delves into a intricate relationship between cargo operation and the ship metrocentric height or GM, focusing on a scenario where GM is virtually reduced due to the shifting weights as a cargo is loaded onto or unloaded from a ship. The distribution of weight changes, influencing the ship's center of gravity or G and subsequently its metrocentric height or the GM. One of the scenarios we will explore is the simultaneous loading and unloading of cargoes, particularly when heavier cargo is loaded onto lower decks while lighter cargo is being unloaded from upper decks.
The metacentric height, or GM, is a critical parameter for a ship's stability. When cargo is loaded or unloaded, it can affect the distribution of weight, potentially altering the ship's metacentric height and stability. Number 1. Initial stability. Before any loading or unloading occurs, the ship is in initial stable condition with a certain GM value. This value depends on factors such as the ship's design, weight distribution, and buoyancy. Number 2. Loading cargo. When cargo is loaded onto the ship, it adds weight to specific areas, causing the ship's center of the gravity G to shift. If the cargo is loaded asymmetrical or centrated in one area, it can cause the ship to lift to one side. This shift in weight distribution affects the metacentric height. If the added weight lowers the center of the gravity, the metacentric height may decrease, reducing the ship's stability.
Unloading cargo. Conversely, when cargo is unloaded from ships, the weight distribution changes again if the unloaded cargo was significant and located high in the ship. Removing it can raise the ship's center of gravity, G. This change can increase the metacentric height, potentially improving stability. However, if the unloading is asymmetrical or poorly managed, it could lead to unstable conditions. Dynamic effects. During loading and unloading operations, the ship's stability can also be affected by dynamic factors as waves, wind, and sea conditions. These internal forces can amplify the effects of shifting weights, making it crucial for ships operators for carefully managed loading and unloading procedures to maintain stability.
5. Safety consideration. It's essential for ship operators to adhere to loading guidelines and stability criteria to ensure the safety of the vessel, crew, and cargo. Calculations of the ship's stability, including the metacentric height, should be regularly updated throughout loading and unloading operations to monitor any changes and take corrective actions if necessary. In conclusion, this research underscores the critical importance of considering cargo loading, unloading effects on a ship's metacentric height to ensure maritime safety and operational efficiency. By elucidating the dynamic relationship between cargo operations and stability characteristics, this study provides valuable insights for ship operators, naval architects, and maritime regulators.
Implementing proactive measures such as optimized loading plans, real-time stability monitoring system, and crew training programs can mitigate the risks associated with GM reduction during cargo handling activities. Ultimately, fostering a culture of safety and continuous improvement in cargo operation is essential for the sustainable development of the maritime industry. Maintaining a stable metacentric height, GM, is essential for the safe operators of ships, especially during cargo loading and unloading operations. By understanding this impact of the cargo GM and implementing proper loading procedures and monitoring system, ship operators can ensure the stability, the safety of their vessels throughout their voyage.